Okay, I'm going to show you, a lot of people know that I made these, they're wetter loops, and you plug it in and it sprays it, but yeah, as you can see, this is a Ettore scrubbing bar. Now what I've done is got this material, white scrubby pads, the thin ones, and I put it around here. I'll just show you one that I've done. Put that aside. And here it's the same bar. As you can see, I've put all these two pads, put zip tie there, and one here to hold it together, and another one to hold it together here. So the idea is the sponge keeps this reasonably moist, but when you spray the clean solution on, it scrubs evenly. And I will show you in another video exactly how I done this, but I've also got bigger versions. My do-it-yourself one. This one's a 30-inch scrub. This is for the big panes of glass. Same thing, as you can see, that it's all flexible and scrubs very good. Also got one, this one's approximately 22, that would probably be good for shop windows also. Same thing, I've put it together a little bit differently, but it's basically the same setup. And for the very small little wooden windows, you can have one like this, and that way it allows you to scrub within the frames, especially the wooden frame cut up ones. And anyway, I hope this helps, and as I said, I'm going to show you a video of how I actually done it. It's a very simple way of doing it, and well, I suppose that's about it.